Last night when I was looking at Far Out, I saw a bunch of comments for this trail junction that we're coming up to here called the Dump Truck Challenge. So we're gonna see after 2,400 miles out here on the PCT, if we got that dump truck. It's about 0.7, I think it's 1,200 feet per mile elevation gain. We're gonna see, we're gonna have a little race. We're gonna see how fast we can do it.
Earn that dumpy. Almost there. One more switchback. Yeah. Time.
Welcome to the end of the dump truck challenge.
Thank you.
It's only downhill from.
I didn't even say anything. I was just like, watch out.
That was fun.
That was not in the least fun.